A lot of people have been asking me if we are heading into a recession and what that will do to housing. And I thought it would be great if we took a few minutes to talk about what's happening and what to expect in the next 15 months. Because between now and the election next year, we are going to see a lot of hype from the media. We're going to see a lot of scary headlines. And after what's happened this week with the stock market, I think it's time, it's a good time to have this discussion. I just went to a session with one of the leading real estate economists in the country, Steve Harney, and where we are right now is in the longest economic recovery in American history. So what that means is we're certainly going to be having a recession at some point. But here's the important distinction. The definition of recession, it's not a scary word, is 2 quarters, consecutive quarters where the GDP has decreased. A recession is not a housing crisis. And because of what happened in 2008, when we hear recession, we think housing crisis. We think housing prices are going to drop. What precipitated the recession in 2008 was the mortgage industry meltdown and the housing crisis. This recession will probably be precipitated by a stock market correction and trade wars. This recession will probably be more like the recession in 2001, and in that recession the stock market decreased 25%. House prices, however, increased 6.5%. Over the last 5 recessions we have, from 1980 till 2008, of those 5 recessions, 4 of them house prices were stable or increased. Only one of the last recessions did we see a decrease in house prices. And that's because it was really a housing crisis that caused the recession. So when we're going through the next 15 months, just hold tight, look at the actual data, because this is the real key thing that I think it's important to understand. When the stock market gets crazy, when the stock market gets volatile, when the stock market drops, people pull their money out of the stock market and they put it into real estate, because real estate is steady, it's reliable, and it's safe. So this actually is going to create some opportunities in real estate. If you have any thoughts of buying an investment property, this is going to be the time. This is going to be the time. So just wanted to share with you what I've learned about what to expect over the next 15 months, and I'll be keeping you posted as we go with more economic updates.